But let's bring on board our technical analysts again. We have Kunal Bothra as well as Nooresh. And Nooresh, let's start with your Chartbuster ideas for now.
So that's a chart for HDFC Asset Management Company, HDFC AMC. If you look at the last 6 months, the stock made a base around that 3600 mark, multiple bottoms around that area, even on the election day volatility. The stock did not break below those levels on a sustainable basis. And on the upper end, 4100 was a resistance which has been conquered. And then again, we are consolidating here around 4200 mark. It looks like a fresh breakout in the making to new all-time highs. So a short-term trade with a stop loss at 4140 and a target price of 4600.
Okay, and Kunal, your Chartbuster ideas?
So that's on CDSL, a chart which recently has given a breakout. And it's an interesting series of breakout because the stock was earlier going through a patch of consolidation, but recently we've seen that the stock has formed a very similar kind of a tendency of going into a range kind of a price action where the stock remains into a range for itself or a prolonged period of time. When the range breakout happens, the stock comes out of this resistance, and this resistance actually forms a base for the previous rally for the stock or the next rally for the stock, and then again it gets into a range for itself. So this has been like a 200 to 300 pointer range for CDSL, earlier from 1500 to 1800, then 1800 to 2100 for the stock, and very recently we've seen the stock getting into such a kind of a similar range as well as a breakout about the 2500 mark. So this could be a good short-term base for the stock over the near to medium term, and expecting the stock to head towards 2700, 2750 over the very near term.
Okay, Kunal, your top picks?
So there'll be two buy calls. So first one is about Dixon Tech. That's a chart which is looking attractive in terms of a potential breakout. So buy with a target of 12,500. Stop loss could be kept at 11,700 mark. And Hindustan Copper has been the other stock which have been bullish on earlier. So would suggest a buy with a target of 330. Stop loss at 300.
And Nooresh, your top picks?
So first would be a buy on Gujarat Pipavav Ports Limited, GPPL. The stock has broken out into new 52-week highs, good momentum as well as volume action here. Stop loss at 235, target price of 270. Second is a buy on Manappuram Finance, which is setting up for a longer term breakout as well as gold prices sustaining higher is a positive. Stop loss at 200, target price of 240.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.